Wolf just redesigned their dual fuel professional range. In this video, you will learn what they improved, some things they missed, and how it may fit into your cooking style. At the end of the video, I'll show you how to download our free pro cooking buying guide to learn even more about Wolf ranges and other types of professional style appliances. Their simmer has always been effective, employing a 3-stage burner to maintain a low heat. It's just as effective as the Thermador Extra Low with their intermittent simmer of 100 degrees. The new grates are not as heavy and are lower to the cooktop surface. We suspect this may speed up your cooking and cool down the grates for better response when turning off the flame. Wolf improved the grill by adding 2 temperature settings for different types of food. The diffuser plate still gives you a range of temps on the cooking surface, but now you can set that range at high and low temperature. Once again, infrared powers the griddle, and it is the best for consistent directed heat. The cooking surface was raised up to the same level as the burner grates for more convenient cooking and easier cleaning. Wolf's oven was the best in the industry with twin dual convection. Unlike other ovens, Wolf used 2 thermistors, so the fans worked independently. Now Wolf added their verticross convection system using blowers instead of fans. It's been in their wall ovens for years. Blowers deliver more air than fans for more consistent heat. You also have added space in your oven as well. Gourmet mode is another pre-existing feature from their M-series wall ovens. You input the food and the oven will calculate temperature and even rack position. It's even easier with probe cooking, so the oven knows the temperature of the food while it's cooking. You also have 50 programmed recipes as well. The new dual fuels have a touch screen like that in the wall ovens, instead of the old clock and timers. It can be pushed in when not in use, but can flip out and face toward you for easy use. Wolf officially entered the smart age with a fully functional system you can control on your phone with an app. You can preheat, change modes, adjust temperatures, and turn on or off from an app. Thanks for watching. To learn more about Wolf dual fuel ranges and even more professional style appliances, click the link in the description of the video to download our free pro cooking buying guide.